Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have admin or developer access on the device and a PC with ADB installed. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging so you can issue commands. Make sure the phone is unlocked and connected via USB with file transfer or ADB mode active. You need a stable cable and permissions accepted on the phone. This initial access is necessary because system-level flags are changed. Without it, later steps will fail. You now use ADB shell to inspect the app or window flags, run Dumpsy's windows or Dumpsy's activity to find flag-secure references. Once found, you can test by forcing the policy off for the current session using WM or app-specific settings, such as enforce stop, then set prop, or patching overlays for a dev build. Make sure to understand you're changing a security flag temporarily. This verifies whether screenshots become possible without permanent. To make the change persistent, you either rebuild the app without flag secure or adjust the system policy using a custom ROM or managed configuration if allowed. Once applied, reboot and test taking screenshots. If screenshots are still blocked, check for Enterprise Mobile Management, MDM, or device owner restrictions. These will reapply the secure policy. If problems persist, revert changes, review logs with Logcat, and consult the device owner or admin to avoid violating policies or warranties.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.